everybody, good afternoon or good evening anyways. This week's vlog, in Vlogmas week number 2, I am going to be releasing my first YouTube giveaway. If you didn't know, I've been releasing Christmas giveaways on my Facebook and my Instagram page, so be sure to be following me on there. But for now, those Facebook and Instagram giveaways were only for Maltese and Gozitan people basically. But now this one, the YouTube giveaway, which there will be 3 different ones, they're going to be for my YouTube subscribers, and there's Nemo's butt basically, and it's going to be open internationally as well. So yes, the first gift is going to be, I put them all in the Lucy bag. However, not all things are of Lucy basically. So let me show you what you guys can win in this first YouTube giveaway. So like I said, I'm going to be hosting 3, so be sure to check out my videos, because I'm going to be inserting clips in either my Vlogmases or else a random beauty video as well. So be sure to be subscribed on my channel. So in this giveaway, you can win this Revolution eyeshadow palette, this lip gloss from Revolution, microfiber wonder blender, a mirror from Revolution, eyelashes from Oh My Lash, favorite mascara of mine from Essence, these Shop Miss A lipsticks, and also these 2 samples from L'Occitane. So basically, these are the things that you can win in this YouTube giveaway. And the rules are to basically be subscribed to my YouTube channel, to follow my Instagram page, to like my Facebook page, and also to comment what you've learned about yourself from 2020. Okay, so those are the rules for competing in this year's YouTube giveaway, my first one for Christmas. And again, it's open internationally, and it's going to be open for 1 week. So I will be announcing the winner in the week 3 of Vlogmas. So the giveaway closes on Saturday the 19th. The giveaway winner will be announced on Sunday 20th. Link everything listed down below so you will see them, and I just showed you what the prizes are. So good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 8. I don't know if I started the vlog properly, but welcome to Vlogmas week number 2. So basically, here is how my week is, because I don't vlog every single day, as in, I don't upload it every single day. So I vlog my Vlogmases per week as I normally do my weekly vlogs. So yeah, so if you like this week's vlog, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. We're on our way to Homemade because I need to get some Christmas shopping done basically. Luke missed a turn, so we had to go around all the way, but that's okay. And hopefully today I get 3 Christmas presents done, and then I would have left 3 more. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that I find everything. So yes, so yeah, basically that's what we're doing today. I'll be taking you guys with me. Yesterday all I did was vlog pieces of my day, but I put it up on Instagram instead. But I'll leave it here nonetheless, so it's probably what you would have seen before this clip. So yes, hope you enjoy it. My Vlogmas is obviously not that very festive, but we're gonna roll with it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. everybody. So I am here in a room which I really rarely use actually. This used to actually be our little playroom. Like, this is a study now, but we kind of like put a lot of our like junk. Like over here I have like most of my jackets and things like that. But this used actually be our playroom, and it used to be full of like toys, and I used to play like teachers in here and restaurant and all that stuff when I was a kid. It's like really, I just have to picture it basically. But hello everybody, today is Vlogmas and it's day 9 already. I can't believe it's the 9th of December. Basically I wanted to come and sit down and chat a bit with you guys. Today was a very busy day. I had work and then I came home and I had to upload some things. I had tried the vitamin C kit from Lucy Makeup Store, so I shared some stories on Instagram about that. I then also uploaded a new giveaway, which is the giveaway where you can win a Vichy and wooden tested earrings. And I think, yes, by the time I upload this video, you'll still be able to participate in that one and also the one that's going up on Friday. And then I also uploaded a new video and I answered your comments. So it was it was a very hectic day. And I also got some small gifts as well that I had to wrap, but most of my Christmas gifts are actually all wrapped and I'm really happy. I just have to write some cards and things like that. Today I also met sort of my first giveaway winner as well, and I gave her the Golden Rose giveaway prize, and I met her daughter. She was really sweet. So yeah, it was a busy day, but like I want to come here also to tell you that I finished the book I've been reading. This is the book that I've been reading. It's called Flora's Lot. What I've been doing is that every single morning I wake up and I read a chapter, and I actually managed to read this book in 2 weeks. So that's pretty cool. And I really like this author. Her name is Katie Forder. And yeah, let me know if you've ever read any of her books. I kind of actually read another book of hers, A Rose Petals Summer, I think it was, and it was a really good one. But yeah, now I chose this one because over there we have like a little library, and I chose this one. It's called The Chocolate Lover's Wedding, which is by Carol Matthews, and it's basically about the ladies of the Chocolate Lovers Club should be gearing up for the wedding of the year, but life keeps getting in the way. So I think I would probably enjoy this. So yeah, we'll see what this says, and I'm gonna try and continue doing this 1 chapter a day, and then sometimes I actually read more. Like today example, I read 3 chapters because I had like 3 left, so I didn't want to obviously just read 1. But yeah, if you guys read the Chocolate Lovers book, let me know in the comments down below. Now tomorrow I'm hoping, because yesterday we were actually supposed to go and also bake some cookies that I saw Zoella do on her Vlogmas. She cooked like these white gingerbread cookies and they looked really good, and hopefully we'll get to do them. And yeah, yesterday you saw me go to a little bit of places. I think I filmed going to Homemate and also Sherry's, which is like a lovely garden center, which I've never been. It was my first time and I really enjoyed it. And I also picked up something really good for Nemo. I picked up the Lily's Kitchen organic chicken, and she really loved it. I only picked up 1 tub for her, but now hopefully tomorrow Luke is going to get some of the ingredients that we need for the cookies. And I told him to check if Greens have the Lily's Kitchen, and I checked on the internet and supposedly they do have. So yeah, I'm kind of a bit worried about mail because I've ordered like some things from Pretty Little Thing and I haven't received them yet, so I hope I do. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to go now and I'm going to go sleep because tomorrow I have work. But yeah, tomorrow I don't have anything else. Like even KezziesCorner things are all done. They're all like, I don't have to like do anything. So basically then on Friday again, I have a busy day because I have a giveaway coming out and also a video coming out. But everything is prepared for Friday, so I don't have any problems. So hopefully all will be good. And then Saturday and Sunday I have another workshop at Gestalt. So yeah, busy week. And I have a spot coming out over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. It's like brewing. But anyways. So yeah, I thought I would just come and chat with you guys because I feel like I haven't yet. And I'm really sorry about that. But sometimes my gym during the week is like really hectic with work, with school, KezziesCorner. It's like so much things to take care of, and it's just so hard to just sit down and just talk to you guys. I'm having a bit of a problem with my braces. I don't know, like I'm feeling my 2 teeth when I'm eating. These ones in the front like are moving, like, and I hope my braces are all like stuck well and everything. But yeah, Anyways, I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna go bed. And I hope you all have having a lovely day, lovely evening. Anyways, stay safe, take care, and yeah, love you all. Bye. Hi everyone. So welcome to Vlogmas day 10. So you did the 0. There. 10. We're going to be doing gingerbread NYC cookies. I saw this being shared by Zoella on her Vlogmas, so I said why not try it out, and we're gonna be trying out today. So basically all we need, let's just start. I'm just gonna link the recipe down below if you want to try it out, but yeah. And I got dressed up because I wanted to dress up. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to actually grab from here, we're going to do 8 cookies and they're all going to weigh 120 grams. So let's begin. Received my landing meat order. Let us see what. Oh my god, there's a mask. Oh, how cute. Hand wash only, do not tumble dry. Oh, how cute. I got a mask. How sweet. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. Okay, so let's open. Let's see what this month's. Okay, I'm excited. Okie dokie, so let's see what we have. So we have these, which are actually really pretty, and actually these I think would be really good for work because they're small, they're tiny, not that big. And then we have these cute flowers. Oh, how sweet. But I wouldn't be wearing these now. Like, I think I would wear these in like spring. These look really pretty for like spring. And then I love these actually. So we always get stickers as well. I like how we get these stickers. And oh, how cute. These are adorable. Yeah, I like those. Those are the 3 earrings I got this month's box. Everybody, good afternoon or good evening anyways. So welcome. I think I need to wipe my hand. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 12. I cannot believe it's already day number 12. I am going to go because I am in a break. I have my weekend course again. So yeah, that's basically, and we're going to hopefully order some sushi tonight. That's basically it. Something very light. Yesterday also we had a burger at home and we watched The Bachelorette as well, which was really nice. So yeah, so basically, like I said, stay tuned because I will have more YouTube giveaways. There will be 2 more. So yeah, I'm not gonna say when I'm gonna be releasing them, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, Mummy?
Okay.
Tell them to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Always subscribe to Kezzie.
KezziesCorner, Ma. Don't you know my name? Do it again.
Always subscribe to KezziesCorner.
Thank you. How sweet. That's me mom. And then my dad is in the other room making a phone call, and his voice, sorry if his voice is so loud, but his voice is always loud. But yes, anyway, so that's basically it. I'm over here in front of me. I have all my giveaway prizes. I've actually just released the giveaway winner of my Rimmel London giveaway, and I'm hopefully going to meet her soon. And I think tomorrow another giveaway closes, so I'll have another giveaway winner. So yeah, and I've already met with one person and I gave her the Golden Rose giveaway. This time of year is really exciting because I get to meet some of you guys. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go now and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. And look how cute. The fireplace is decorated with these lovely Santa Clauses. And there are already some gifts that I wrapped for my beautiful family. Christmas tree. Hi everybody. So basically I finished my course and now I came to Luke's, and basically we ordered sushi and it's on its way. We ordered it from Okurama. We choose a set of different sushi pieces. Now I'll show you what it actually is when it hopefully arrives very soon. It was really weird. Today the Bolt Food driver, whilst making our order, he went for our order and then he actually went for another order and delivered that order first before delivering ours. So I was like,
that ain't right.
and we're also going to be watching Jingle Jangle, A Christmas Journey. So that's what we're gonna do. Netflix and sushi, basically. The best kind of nights for 2020, basically. So, yeah.